High production beekeeping not only refers to the number of hives a beekeeper works with, but also their management. Transhumance is very profitable if beekeepers have a program or calendar of the different blooms to pollinate. With standard hives or hives with 8 or 5 frames, beekeepers provide their pollination services and also in honey collection. An excellent diet with a docile bee and good health guarantee a good result. Requirements that the beekeeper needs and often requested by contracting companies. You will find this information and many more videos on our channel.